welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Maggie. I'm do invents decor, but 4 months ago now I'm start a new journey. I'm start to flip furniture. I'm start to flip furniture to help my daughter pay her university tuition. I'm a flip furniture mom. And today's video I'm going to work on this guy. Before I start, I want to thank you all my subscribers. In 4 months I have almost 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your comments. Out of you guys I can do that. Now you can buy me a coffee and can help support my channel. Let's go to start. I got this dresser on Facebook Marketplace for $35. It's a vintage one. In excellent conditions. I'm going to keep the hardware, I love that. No scratch. It is a solid wood, I can see on the back, from 1967. Excellent conditions outside and inside. First, I'm taking out the hardware for make a good cleaning. I'm doing my custom color, mix these two colors together. I want a light gray. After my first coat, I changed my mind and I add more charcoal color and make more darker. Let's do a quick look before and after. I love how this dress comes out. The first time I used the stencils comes so well. I love it. I love the dark color. I love the hardware. I love the metallic gray on around the drawers. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed the videos like this, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe on my channel. See you on next one. Bye.